Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to find vendors, you can start up your business, and also how to even register your business, because I know myself it took me a while to figure it out, and I just figured it out today. So I registered all of that, so I think I'm good to go. It just takes a couple of days before you can even start like charging people for like taxes when they do order from your website. And then I'm going to show you guys some more stuff that I got in the mail to start up your business. Some like a little inventory update. And yeah, if you want to see everything, please keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to show you guys how to even register your business. So like I said, I am in Illinois. So we're going to go on mytaxillinois.gov. I had to read that really quick because I thought it was .com. But once you're here, let me show you guys. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and click business. And then once you click business, you want to click right here, which says register a new business. Now this is where I got confused, because it said like to make a login and everything like that. Just don't even worry about that. Go to identify your business. And this is also confusing because it asks for like an EIN number and everything. I don't have that. I just have my EIN number. But you want to go here and put which one you're doing. I'm going to do this one, it's like sole corporation, or this one. I picked this one because I'm doing it on my own and everything. And then it asks you for your social, and then from there you'll follow the rest of the steps. That's why I got confused, because over here on this side I was like, what? And it kept asking me like all this stuff, and that's why I got confused. This is 100% free too as well. So I'm done with that, and we're going to go to the IRS website too as well. And then we're going to go here, apply for an employer ID number, and we're going to do the sole one right here too. And after that, it's going to ask you to fill out all this information everywhere, all the way down, and then submit application. This is also free. Another thing you guys can do too as well is go to the United States Patent and Trademark Office.com. So just look up like trademark in Illinois, and then you can go ahead and put your business name and then see if anyone is using it, and make sure like, you know, it's not trademark, no one else has it, just you and yourself. So this is the basic stuff you need. You could do the LLC. I'm still trying to figure out how to do all that because it's so confusing. As long as you have like the other basics, you're fine. The LLC is basically so no one like says you're copying them or something, and then they're going to basically sue your ass. Okay, so you could get that, just get out of the way. I know that one you do 100% have to pay for. The video I watched of some lady like showing you how to do it, you can look it up on YouTube. She said you pay $500, but I looked down on it and it didn't say nothing about $500, because you can go to the same website, it's mytaxillinois, and it'll tell you like everything you have to pay for. Like it'll scroll down and show like, oh, we have to pay for it and everything right there. So it was no $500. I think I saw like maybe $150 it was going to be, but I'm gonna probably do that later on. Just want to see how much like of an audience I'm gonna get towards my website. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to find a vendor. And one way you can find a vendor that's really easy, you just go to your Facebook page. So I'm gonna go ahead to my Facebook page. One place that I did purchase from, I don't know if I want to say I regret purchasing from them, because they actually did give you good information, but I felt like the vendors were very pushy, and it's gonna happen to you. Like they want you to buy from them right now. If you message them, that's it. They think like you're their first option or something, but no. So you could go to this place right here. It's called the Boss Palace. This is their Facebook page. I purchased from their website. I did it when it was on sale. I believe the sale price was like $49.99. At that time, I thought I was just going to do eyelashes. But they have everything on their website. I believe they have eyelashes. I think they do have nails. Let me just double check. They have hair vendors, clothing, cosmetics, private label vendors, and then they do have like the eyelashes. So when you purchase them, it's very like private. You can't send it to nobody else. You can't share it with somebody else. It's yours. Once you download it from the email, basically it's gonna like disappear and everything. So I have it, but I can't find it right now. I think my time was up. Like you get it for like so much time, I think, something like that. You cannot share any information that you get whatsoever. Obviously, because I paid for it, I would do that anyway, but still. So when you do that, it's going to tell you to download WhatsApp. Let me just show you my WhatsApp, because it was popping when I had it. So let me just exit out of this girl. This was my WhatsApp. See, all these messages are from vendors that you can find. The vendor list does have their what they sell. Like, say if you get eyelash vendor page, it's all eyelashes, all their numbers, but they're all in WhatsApp because they're all in China. So everything's coming from China. So you have to work with their timing, and then you do have to work with them. I would say if you want to do it fast and easy, I would get the package, download WhatsApp, and then start texting the numbers that they do have on the page. That's a good way if you want to do it like nice and fast. You don't care how much you're going to spend at all, because honestly, they'll give you the packaging and the eyelashes, but you have to be ready to spend at least $200 to $300 maybe tops. So I was like, I want to do all of that right now. So that was back in May. Then I ordered from AliExpress. That's the biggest mistake you can make. I mean, AliExpress works for some people. It didn't work for me, and I should have known that from the past, because I ordered from AliExpress before and my eyelashes got lost, and then only one came in and one didn't. So I was like, let me just try AliExpress, because I know you can buy in bulk there. You can buy like your own wholesale purchase. You can look at the eyelashes. Sometimes it's really hard to like tell what they really look like, but girl, I should never order from them. I should have kept doing my research, but I ordered from AliExpress. I ordered 30 pairs. There's 10 different pairs in there, like that. I'll show you guys like in a second. But they finally came in, and it is August 5th. And I ordered them on May 15th or May 20th. I ordered them, something like that. Never again. So AliExpress is no longer going to be my vendor. I mean, maybe in the future when I really need like eyelashes, but like I can wait for them to come in. No. So I found my own personal vendor. I'm not going to say where, who, because you have to do your own research at the end of the day. She is really nice. She works around with me right now. I ordered some more lashes because I feel like they're going to sell out really quickly. So yeah, some other websites you could try other than AliExpress will be this one right here. I don't know how to say it. Alibaba. I don't know. This is a website. They have like everything on here. They have like wigs, boxes, thank you cards, everything. Or you can go to another Facebook page. You can just look up business. And when I looked up that, it said business bosses and free vendors. You can join this group. I honestly just looked it up right now. You can probably talk to somebody on there, or you can go to a small business network. Everything you can find on Facebook or Google. Definitely Google will be your best friend. Oh, crazy. Google will be your best friend. Always look up eyelash vendors. Anything will pop up. Let me look it up right now for you guys. Vendor. Let's see what pops up. See, that website I just said, Alibaba, whatever it's called, popped up. Luma Lashes popped up. World Beauty Eyelashes. Honestly, you just have to work with them. You have to ask them, like, what's the quantity max that you can order, because sometimes they do want you to order more than 10 pairs. And then for boxes too as well. And then sometimes they can also give you a free sample. Sometimes you do have to pay for it too. Another thing you can do is you can go on Instagram. Let me show you guys, because Instagram has been acting a little funky lately. You can do hashtag eyelash vendor wholesale. Let's do that. And see, someone like this page called Wonderful Lashes just popped up. They're saying large stock best mink lash wholesaler from China. DM for questions. So you can definitely do that, and you'll find everything everywhere. Honestly, you do that. Go to TikTok and ask anybody who's selling eyelashes if they do wholesale or if they just do their own. Some do wholesale, some just sell on their own. They don't want you to buy a lot and then like resell them, because you know it's theirs and they bought from their vendor. So that is that. It's very easy to find a vendor. Even with the nails too, you can definitely find a vendor for the press-on nails if you don't want to make them yourself. I am making them myself because I don't got time to find another vendor for all that. So yeah, It's very easy. I mean, just it's very time consuming. If you really want to do it, put your mind to it and do it. I highly recommend getting into like the eyelash business or any type of business at all. It's very fun and it's very exciting because your launch date is like coming sooner than you think and everything. So, oh my god, I need to sip my iced coffee before we start. Okay, so let's open some packages that I did get over the weekend. A little bit more things that I needed. One thing I'm excited about is my printer. I got the Rollo label printer. This one is going to save you a lot of money. So let's open this one up. That's how it comes. It's a better way to print. Yes, honey. But for some reason, I thought it was going to be bigger than this. Look how small it is. Like, it's really, really, really small. And that comes with little information right here. But it's so cute. It's probably like travel friendly too as well. And in the box, you get this alcohol pads. Really probably to clean it. And then in here is just the cable to plug it in. I'm about to do that later. And then here's another cable. It's probably the one for the computer. And then it only comes with a couple of labels. So I did order some from Amazon. I want to say maybe there's like 20 in here. There's like 20 or I think maybe 25 in here. So I ordered more from Amazon, you know, rather be safe than sorry. And then it just comes with the instruction manual, which I really have to sit down and read it because this little thing, I don't even know how to use this shit, but we'll figure it out eventually. Another package I got from Amazon. A little restock. So I've been using these two like on the side when I do nails. These are what I'm using. This is the cubes. This is the Star Nail Super Orange Nail Block. These are actually really good too if you do nails because they're like the little buffers. They're good and they're disposable too as well. So if I use these are 126 count. I believe I got them for $7, but let's double check them. Let's see if I actually got them for $7. Let's see. Oh no. Oh my god, I was way off. These are $14.37 for 126 blocks. Okay, so another thing I ordered from a vendor. More money boxes. Because you can't run out of money boxes. I don't got time for that either. We're gonna open that up. These are my money boxes. To put the color on very nicely. Okay, 2, 3. So these are my money boxes. I had to stock up on these. You know, again, rather be safe than sorry. For $106 for 152. So stock up on those. And then I ordered some alcohol prep pads because I'm also going to put these in with the buffer, the cuticle pusher, and the nail glue. These have 200 medium ones. Let me just make sure. Yep, these are the ones I wanted. These are just how they look. Regular alcohol pads. I'm going to stick those in when I do the nails. So those. And then these are the eyelashes I'm talking about from AliExpress that came in today. They're not bad though. Look how cute they are. These are going to be my new eyelashes, but they're going to be limited edition, obviously. So I'm probably going to think of some names tonight and probably just put them out there today. Let everyone know they're going to be limited edition. They're not coming back because I'm not about to order from AliExpress again. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to leave them down below and I will try to answer it the best I can. Do you guys have any tips for me how I can keep my business rolling or anything else I need to start my business? Let me know if I really do need a printer because I have one but it's kind of broken. I didn't really want to purchase a new one, which is why I purchased the Rollo ink printer to save some money. But if you guys think I really need a printer, let me know. But yeah, I'm about to do some more nails right now. I'm about to launch another nail style. It's just gonna be plain nude, and I'm gonna have a little photo shoot. Reason why I did my makeup, and it is kind of sunny outside. It's still early. It's only 3:09, so we're gonna get that rolling and going. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna post more videos. Probably do like vlog videos just so I can keep up with my YouTube channel. I'll probably do one maybe this weekend, like a day in my life, whatever. I don't really do nothing usually with my man every weekend. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, let me know. Don't forget to follow me on the rest of my social medias. I'll leave them down below, and go ahead and subscribe to my newsletter on my website. I'll also leave that down below too, so you know when I'm going to launch. It's going to be very soon. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.